All right, so what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to get a new set of habits. Replace those old habits that were bad habits with some new healthy habits. For example, for myself, I used to smoke, drink. I was smoking weed, cigarettes, Black and Miles. I used to drink all kind of liquor and just do all this stuff that was tearing my body down. But then what I started doing, I replaced that habit with things like working out, eating healthy, drinking lots of water. A lot of people say, hey, it's hard to quit. It's hard to break this habit. But man, when you replace that habit with a new habit, that unhealthy habit with a healthy habit, sometimes it may be shows you watch or something you watch on television. You want to replace that with reading, replace it with something more positive and uplifting, new habits.